When it comes to solar installations, having the right extension cables is essential for performance and efficiency. PNTech's cords offer durability and flexibility engineered to meet the demands of your projects. Designed for versatility, they are available with customizable single or double heads to suit different requirements. Constructed with a dual-insulated tin-plated copper core, they ensure excellent conductivity and safeguard against corrosion. With a rated voltage of 1500 and a current of 30 amperes, the wires support large capacity systems. The flame-retardant materials provide added safety, while resistance to high and low temperatures sustains consistent output in various climates. Furthermore, the anti-ultraviolet layer makes them ideal for long-term outdoor use. The self-locking feature secures connections and facilitates easy execution, reducing setup time. Moreover, IP68 protection prevents dust and water ingress and ensures reliability in harsh environments. Tailored length and colour options for your needs allow seamless integration into any system. PNTech combines quality and adaptability to enhance your photovoltaic energy applications.